Hi lovelies, and welcome back for another makeup review. Today I'll be reviewing Patrick Ta's new Double Take Cream and Powder Blush Duo in the shade She Left Me on Red. And let's hop right into this review. It's the same luxury packaging as always. A little flap to separate the powder from the cream. Here are the swatches. This is the cream and this is the powder. I have two other red blushes I want to compare these shades to. This is the Giorgio Armani Cheek Tint in the shade Flaming Red. And this is Hourglass's Liquid Blush in the shade Imagine. These two are Patrick Ta, the powder and the cream. This is Armani Beauty and this is Hourglass. And as you can see, all these formulas are super pigmented except the cream on Patrick Ta's blush. I think that's because he wants you to pair it with the powder, like put the powder first and then apply the cream on top, so maybe he doesn't want both to be super pigmented. But I think he should have made the cream a bit more pigmented just because you might not always want to use a powder underneath. Sometimes you just want to like do a quick blush look and go. The second I saw everyone posting this online, it looked a little bit orange and I was worried, but seeing these swatches, it definitely is red. So let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna use his method, powder first and then cream on top. Oh, this is very pigmented. I think I used a little too much. Okay, so the thing about this blush, it's really easy to go in with a heavy hand, but I just used the excess on this brush for the other side. And as you can see, this is kind of what it's supposed to look like. So when you're using this blush, definitely just tap it in there slightly. And you should have enough, especially with a shade like this, bright red. I was able to blend this down a lot, and now I'm scared to go over it with the cream. I'm gonna try to be very light-handed with this, just like a drop. Okay. The shade is pretty, but it's making me wish I'd do my concealer after blush because I feel like if this was underpainting, it'd be perfect. I'm gonna hop off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Here's the final look for today. As you can see, it definitely looks a lot better on this side because I wasn't as heavy-handed as I was on this side. Thankfully, I was able to blend it out, but definitely be very careful when you use this blush. It's very pigmented. A little goes a long way, but this is definitely one of the best blushes on the market right now because you get 2 for 1, a cream and a powder. If you do like red blushes, I do recommend this one. And it's also a very pigmented formula, as you can see. And another thing I really love about his formulas is that they look really flattering on deeper skin tones as well. I think with this launch there were 3 other shades. I just grabbed this one. But yeah, those are my final thoughts on this new blush shade. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next review. Bye.